Hello everyone, today I'd like to show you this 10-inch LCD writing tablet by FUNNYB&G, which is intended for kids from 3 years old and up. So I'm going to open the box and we'll see the contents. I like that it's colorful, explains everything that comes with the button here. There's a battery case where you can also lock, so that there's a lock so that you don't your images are not erased. There's a hole for the rope, and that's also the contents. It comes with the battery. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, that's the tablet. When you pull it out of the box, it has the rope by which you can hang it, and there's a pen and a tiny screwdriver which allows you to open the battery. There's this erase button, and then we're gonna show you how we're gonna use it. So it also came with an extra battery, which is really appreciated, so I don't have to worry about looking for this type of battery. So there's this pen and or stylus, and here you go. You can just draw, make notes, and then it erases everything. Here you are. So I think overall the presentation, like the box itself, the way it looks, and the design, the color scheme, everything is really good. I'm pretty sure your kid's gonna be happy. So nice one. Thank you for watching.